Are you planning your next travel adventure and want to capture every moment in stunning detail? Choosing the right camera for vlogging can make all the difference between mediocre footage and professional quality content. In today's video, we'll dive into the 7 best cameras for travel vlogging that offer a perfect blend of portability, quality, and ease of use. Whether you're exploring city streets or diving underwater, we got you covered with the ideal camera for your needs. Let's get started. Number 1. Sony A7 IE is a powerhouse in the realm of travel vlogging. This full-frame mirrorless camera is renowned for its exceptional image quality and versatility. Its 24.2 MP sensor delivers crisp, detailed images even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for capturing everything from sunrise hikes to evening cityscapes. The camera boasts a 693-point phase detection autofocus system that ensures your footage is sharp and in focus, regardless of the subject's movement. In terms of design, the Sony A7 IE features a rugged, weather-sealed body that can withstand the elements, adding durability to its already impressive feature set. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization minimizes camera shake, crucial for handheld vlogging while on the move. The camera also supports 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, resulting in incredibly detailed and vibrant footage. Additionally, the A7 IE's battery life is one of its standout features, allowing you to shoot for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. Its intuitive controls and customizable settings provide a high degree of flexibility, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. With its blend of robustness and high performance, the Sony A7 IE is a top choice for serious travel vloggers. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7 X Mark II, a compact and powerful camera that's become a favorite among travel vloggers. Its 20.1 MP 1-inch sensor ensures high-quality images with excellent low-light performance, capturing every detail of your journey. The camera's DiGIC 7-image processor enhances image quality and allows for quick autofocus, ensuring you never miss a moment. The design of the G7 X Mark II is sleek and compact, making it highly portable and easy to carry around while traveling. The built-in 4.2x optical zoom lens provides versatility, allowing you to capture wide landscapes or zoom in on distant subjects with ease. The camera's 3-inch tilting touchscreen is perfect for framing yourself in selfies or vlogs, and also simplifies menu navigation. For video enthusiasts, the G7 X Mark III supports full HD 1080p video recording at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and clear footage. Its built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity makes sharing your content quick and easy, allowing you to upload videos and photos directly to social media or cloud storage. With its compact size, powerful features, and ease of use, the Canon PowerShot G7 X Mark II is a fantastic choice for travel vloggers on the go. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black is the ultimate action camera for those who want to capture every adventure in extreme conditions. This rugged camera is built to withstand the toughest environments, including underwater up to 33 feet without any additional housing. The Hero 11 Black features a 27 MP sensor and can record 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, offering stunningly detailed and vibrant footage. Its hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization technology ensures that your videos remain steady and smooth, even during high-intensity activities like mountain biking or surfing. The camera's Time Warp 3.0 feature allows you to create captivating time-lapse videos, giving a dynamic view of your surroundings. Additionally, the Hero 11 Black's built-in GPS and sensors provide data overlays for your videos, adding an extra layer of context and excitement. The GoPro Hero 11 Black also offers a range of shooting modes, including night lapse and slow motion, providing flexibility for various shooting scenarios. The camera's intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate settings and review footage on the fly. Its durable build and advanced features make the Hero 11 Black an excellent choice for adventure-seeking travel vloggers. Number 4. Olympus T6 is a top choice. This compact and rugged camera is designed to handle extreme conditions, including being waterproof up to 50 feet, shockproof from drops up to 7 feet, and freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 12MP sensor captures sharp and vivid images, while the f/2.0 lens excels in low-light conditions, perfect for exploring underwater environments. The TG6 features advanced imaging technologies, such as the TruePic VI image processor, which enhances detail and reduces noise in various lighting situations. The camera's 4x optical zoom lens allows for flexible framing, whether you're shooting close-up marine life or wide underwater vistas. The built-in underwater shooting modes and color filters help you achieve optimal results in different aquatic settings. For video, the TG6 supports full HD 1080p recording, and its high-speed video mode allows for slow-motion footage to capture every moment in intricate detail. The camera's intuitive controls and robust build make it easy to use, even in challenging conditions. With its specialized features for underwater photography and durability, the Olympus TG6 is an excellent companion for marine adventures. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX GX85, also known as the GX80 in some regions, offers a versatile and feature-packed option for travel vloggers. This mirrorless camera boasts a 16MP micro Four Thirds sensor and dual image stabilization, combining in-body and lens-based stabilization for smooth video footage. The 4K video recording capability ensures that your content is sharp and detailed, capturing every moment with high resolution. The GX85's design is compact yet robust, making it easy to carry while traveling. The camera includes a 12-32mm kit lens that provides a range of focal lengths, suitable for various shooting scenarios from wide landscapes to close-ups. Its 3-inch tilting touchscreen allows for easy framing and review of your shots, while the built-in Wi-Fi enables seamless sharing of your content. The camera's advanced features include a 49-point contrast detection autofocus system and various creative shooting modes, including a 4K photo mode that extracts high-resolution stills from 4K video footage. The GX85's durable build and comprehensive feature set make it a great choice for vloggers who need both high-quality photos and videos in a portable package. Number 6. Sony ZV-1 is specifically designed with vloggers in mind, combining high performance with user-friendly features. Its 20.1MP 1-inch sensor delivers excellent image quality, while the fast and accurate autofocus system ensures your footage remains sharp. The camera's 24-70mm equivalent lens provides a versatile focal range, ideal for capturing everything from wide shots to close-ups. One of the standout features of the ZV-1 is its fully articulating touchscreen, which makes it easy to see yourself while filming. The camera also includes a high-quality built-in microphone with a windscreen, reducing background noise and capturing clear audio. For those who want even better audio, the ZV-1 has a microphone input, allowing you to connect external mics. In terms of video, the ZV-1 supports 4K recording and includes a range of vlogging-friendly features such as background defocus and product showcase modes. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, while its advanced features provide the performance needed for professional quality content. The Sony ZV-1 is an excellent choice for vloggers looking for a camera that caters specifically to their needs. Finally, number 7. Canon EOS R10 is a mirrorless camera that offers impressive features tailored for vloggers. Its 24.2MP APS-C sensor delivers high-resolution images and 4K video recording, ensuring your content is detailed and vibrant. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF system provides fast and accurate autofocus, essential for keeping your footage sharp. The EOS R10 features a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which is perfect for vlogging and selfies, allowing you to easily frame and review your shots. Its compact design and lightweight body make it easy to carry during your travels. The camera also includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, facilitating easy sharing and transfer of your content. With its 15 Hz continuous shooting speed and 4K video recording with no crop, the EOS R10 is well suited for dynamic and high-action vlogging scenarios. The camera's advanced video features, combined with its user-friendly interface, make it a versatile tool for content creators. The Canon EOS R10 offers a great balance of performance and portability for vloggers on the go. Thanks for tuning in, Wanderers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and gear recommendations. Let me know in the comments which camera you're excited to try on your next adventure. Until next time, safe travels and happy vlogging.